Good afternoon. Welcome back to Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona. This is Sandi. I hope you are enjoying a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I'm under the umbrella. There's not hardly any wind. I worked in the garden and different parts of the yard all morning long, and it is really getting in shape. I haven't done a video in a while, other than shorts. I've done different shorts, of course, but I needed to get focused. Actually, I read a book, and it's called Slow Gardening. If you get a chance to order, I'll see if I can find it online, and I'll put it in the link below. It will transform the idea of how you garden. Actually, how you look at life in a lot of ways. And it was perfect for me at this time in my life. I just put a new hummingbird feeder up. We'll see if it attracts any. I have other ones in the yard. And, sorry, cars going by the road. And it's really changed my perspective on, I guess, being more one with my garden, my yard, myself. And it was real helpful. Had great quotes all through the book. But sometimes as gardeners, we just get busy, 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 and it's just list and list and list. And you feel like you're not doing enough if you don't get all those things done. But I really had to change the way I was looking at things. I was so busy with so many things. And I really felt like I really couldn't breathe sometimes. I was just like, because I've always been a list maker, and I get great satisfaction of checking those things off my list. I do. But I wanted my gardening experience not just to be fruitful, but I wanted it to be relaxing and fun and something that I looked forward to all the time. And I needed to do some refocusing. What I'd like out of this video in the comments, if you would write things you'd like in videos. Maybe you're doing something in your garden, it's working, it's not working, and you'd like me to do a video about that. When I first started my YouTube journey, almost 6 years ago, I did a lot of learning things. I did a lot of teaching things. And as you progress, and maybe it's just me, or maybe a lot of YouTubers do this, you want to do that next great thing. You want more people to watch your videos. You want more people to be engaged. And I thought, I need to stop. The reason for not having so many videos. But, I mean, I resigned from all kinds of stuff because I was just too busy. I was just too overwhelmed. And honestly, I was not happy. So I would rather do videos on things that interest you guys. And if it's something I don't do, I don't know anything about, I'll just let you know. And maybe I'll try to direct you to somewhere else that you could get that information. I need to be slow living, slow gardening. I needed really to be free. I needed to be free. Hence, resigning from things, not doing as many videos other than shorts. But honestly, if I told you the whole list of things I resigned from, you would be like, girl, how'd you do that? But have a great day. One of my daughters, her husband, and his mom are coming through Gillette today. We're going to go out to dinner because I've slowed my life down. And honestly, I've gotten so many things done when I wasn't doing so many things for other people. Not that I don't do things for other people, but not as much as before. Because I needed some slow gardening and I needed some freedom. So everybody have a great day. I will see you next time. I don't want to be scheduled anymore. So just look for my videos. Click the like button. Click it so that you get notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye everybody. Love you.